College is very expensive. It is unaffordable. Your parents may want you to take more responsibility for your finance. In reality, many college students receive little or maybe sometimes no help from their parents once they're on the campus, which can be an unexpected and difficult transition. So that means the basic college bills like tuition, room and board, and textbooks, as well as basic living costs must be covered in some way. However, many college students are having financial difficulties, so that in this video, I will go through a variety of side hustles for college students. College is a wonderful time in someone's life. It also represents some of the best moments in the lives of millions of individuals all around the world. Going to college is a popular choice for a variety of reasons, including a higher education and a lifelong connection. Not to mention, it is beneficial when looking for a career. Unfortunately, college is unaffordable, and many students end up with high-interest student loans. As a result, more college students are looking for a side hustle or a second job to supplement their income. If you are a college student worried about money, don't worry anymore. You can make money from a variety of side hustles. There are two types of side hustles, online and offline. Online side hustles are the more convenient and simplest to do of the two. The only needs are often a laptop or in some cases a smartphone and internet connectivity. So in this video, I have listed for you 13 side hustles you can start online now. Number 1. Become a blogger. Blogging is one of the most profitable side hustles for college students that you can start right away and start earning money within a few months. It is important to remember that becoming a blogger requires a lot of responsibilities. You will need to spend some time researching hot topics to write about. Then you will look for a relevant keywords to include in the article so that it ranks higher in search engines. You can start your blogging career in two ways. The first option is to use a hosted platform like a WordPress.org, which allows you to create a blog for a free. Or maybe you can start a self-hosted blog which can give you a full control of your blog. Your blog will be visible on the internet once you purchase a domain name, which is the name of your blog, and a web host. Number 2. Become an online English tutor. English language is one of the world's frequently spoken languages. As a result, those who can teach it well are in high demand. If you have a good background in the English language, it is time you considered becoming an English tutor. This does not indicate that you will have to work a longer hours outside of the classroom. There are a variety of websites and online-based platforms that will pay you to teach English online. Number 3. Sell your old textbooks. Most books and textbooks are only used once. What do you do with your books after taking classes? You can sell them back in your bookstore if the books will be used for the next semester, or sell them online like Amazon or eBay. You can also find students who will be taking the same classes during the following semester and sell them your books to them. Number 4. Sell your crafts online. You can sell your handmade items online if you are a crafter. Handmade products can be found in a variety of Etsy stores. However, before you start selling Etsy, make sure you do your research, then come up with something unique to sell that isn't already available from other sellers. Number 5. Sell your photos. If you have a nice camera and know how to use it, consider selling your photos online. You may even sell your photos on stock photo sites like Shutterstock and iStock Photo. This is another of my favorite college student side gig ideas. Number 6. Data entry. If you have a great typing speed, you can use it to earn money online by doing data entry jobs. The pay for this data entry task varies based on the type of work. You can earn money by typing text in a Word document, filling out forms, putting data into a spreadsheet, and solving captchas. As a college student, any of these data entry jobs can help you earn money. Number 7. Amazon FBA. It enables you to sell Amazon's in-demand products using their robust e-commerce platform and distribution network. While it may take longer than the others on our list, the potential profits are enormous. The average monthly profit for a seller is at least $1,000, and if you are outstanding, you will be able to earn more than that. Number 8. Make money via social media. In many ways, today's business environment requires the use of social media. You may use social media to develop your skill set while also making money if you are a marketing student or an aspiring entrepreneur. You may begin by going to local small businesses and offering them to manage their social media pages for a fee. However, social media is an excellent platform for promoting your services and skills. You can request to display advertising on platforms managed by student groups in your campus to reach out to new clients and earn money. Number 9. Create a course. To help others in learning a skill, you don't require a professional teaching qualification. Almost any topic can be turned into a course. You may usually make up to 60% on each copy you sell. You will need to know a lot about your topic to be able to take your student through the process. You can make money by selling your course on the places like Udemy or a Skillshare. Number 10. Video editing. If you enjoy video editing, this could be a good side business for you. For a simple video editing, you can charge $20 to $45 per hour as a beginner. This will rise to over $100 per hour after you have a professional portfolio and ready to take on more complex editing projects. On websites like Upwork, there are thousands of freelance video editing jobs available. With a simple portfolio and a complete profile, you can get started right away. This will allow you to fit editing jobs around your college commitments while also earning a substantial amount of money. Number 11. Online t-shirt business. Starting an online t-shirt business has never been easier. Whether you want to sell things to supplement your social media revenues or you have some creative ideas, you can start a lucrative business. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service that lets you to work as a designer and make money. You can upload your design and pick your price without having to pay anything upfront. Every item you sell on the Amazon marketplace will earn you a profit. For each t-shirt you sell, you will make about $1. As a result, if you make a beautiful designs, you might begin to earn a large amount of money. Number 12. Graphic design. Graphic design is one of the most common jobs for college students because every business needs someone to design its logos, infographics, and social media posts. Graphic design can be done with software such as Photoshop and others. But if you don't have the necessary skills, you can also use an online tool such as Canva. Number 13. Programming. Programming can be a wonderful source of money if you know a few programming languages. You can also start by designing websites or templates and then sell them for the greatest price. Most positions require only a basic understanding of the key technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Finally, college is very expensive, and earning extra money with a side hustle is a way to pay for it. The only thing you need to do is start. That's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.